Say, man, we was over there earlier, man. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Well, let's walk me through it, man. You
Tell him what happened, man. Tell him what you did. I just called him. Tell him what you did. He drove a little here and made a call. Changed his name to CVO Wayne.
I talked to the owner.
Oh, you talked to the owner? Oh, okay. You said you made it happen?
I talked to the owner. I say, look, man, what we gonna do? We're gonna put this youngster in the game with the CVO. Right? He's young. So come. We're gonna get him right. We're gonna get hippie. Put him on the 25th anniversary. CVO. Something he been dreaming of.
Okay.
He went to get last time and he got scared. But this time, he pulled the trigger.
Yeah, okay, pull the trigger.
He just shot everybody.
Shot everybody. Okay.
I got mad at him though. She told me he did it a long time ago.
Oh Lord, he already had pre-approval already. He said.
So this is what it is.
Okay. I see you. When I was over there, you worked him. You got you the backrest. You got him to throw in the tour pack mounting brackets. What else did you get out the deal?
Just for the ride back.
Just for the seat too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, the seat come off my old one, but
Okay.
at the end of the day, Donnie gonna go ahead and Corbin me out.
Okay.
He gotta go. He got the work going.
Okay.
CVO
Wayne. Okay, y'all see it here live and direct out here in Chi-Town, and we out the door.
Hey, hold on, money.
What?
When you work hard, this is the fruits of his labor. The man work hard, take his family, all the goodies. He in the club. He's really 100 with the club. He want to continue to be with the club. So he just made a decision, but he didn't make it without consulting with his wife.
Okay.
Props. He
Okay.
talked to the wife. He waited till the wife got here. She flew in on his jet. She flew in. Show. You get the bike.
Okay.
And it's been on ever since.
Like I say, let's sign say doing it the plus way.
Doing it the plus way.
Yeah, right there. Yeah, right there.